No thumb button. Wrist rest does not support the wrist. Trigger has a long travel, but is very wobbly left to right. The hat stick is pure plastic and digs into your hand. The bottom button, I really need to arch my thumb. The thumb rest is way too high, as you can see here. I have to move my thumb up. The buttons are angled the wrong way and my shortest finger has to reach forward. Joystick is angled forwards. Wrist rest is where wrist is. Has thumb button. Trigger is immediate. All buttons within reach of thumb. Hat stick was there. Hat stick has silicone on top of it for grip.
It's a Thrustmaster T16000M. It's the PC version. And I've got it connected to a 2023 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 Pro chip, and I've downloaded a full version of X-Plane 12 onto it. And there's a default profile which popped up. It seems to be fully functional. I've played the game, and every button, every control, every movement is active, and I have full use of the menu, full use of the settings. Couldn't be more pleased with the controller working with my Mac, so I would give it a big thumbs up.
So, I just got home after ordering the Thrustmaster T16000 Duo controller set, and look at the state of this box. I have never seen a box so totaled and broken up from the Thrustmaster Amazon. Look at this. No packaging whatsoever. None. Just casually thrown in here. Like, are you kidding me? What is this? Unbelievable. Don't buy from them. This is unacceptable.
Unstable.